Hey everyone! Welcome back to The Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new. I'm Sarah. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what products are empty I have used up this month from Jordan Essentials. So let's get started. The first product that I have used up and has taken me quite a long time is our 8-ounce Hope Salt Scrub. Our salt scrubs all come in this 8-ounce tub, and one thing that I love about our salt scrubs is, and any of our products in general, are made with no mineral oil, so you'll never have the separation between the salt and the other ingredients inside. They are always mixed, no matter if it's been a couple of days or even a week from the last time that you used it. It will always be mixed up perfectly and ready to use. So I like to keep my salt scrub on the side of my sink. I actually set my foaming soap on top. So if I have a few extra minutes when I'm washing my hands, I will put a little dollop of the salt scrub and the soap and mix them together and wash my hands at the same time. And that really helps to exfoliate and get all of the dead skin cells off and really get my hands really soft and smooth. Then of course, I use some of our Shea Body Butter after and seal the deal with our lotion bar. Another thing that I like to use our salt scrub for is in the shower. I might use a dollop and mix it with my shower gel and just wash all over. And the other thing that I really like to do is mix it with either a little bit of our conditioner or shower gel and wash my legs and exfoliate my legs before shaving, and it gives me a really smooth, close shave. The next product, speaking of shower gels, is my shower gel in lavender and eucalyptus. This is our 9-ounce. We actually have our shower gels in two sizes, 9 and 16 ounces. I really like the 9-ounce because it allows me to switch it up a little bit sooner. So I really have liked the lavender and eucalyptus, and currently I'm using the new vanilla and pear. The next product that I've used up is my Magnesium Spray with lavender essential oil. So this is actually an old label. I keep it by my bedside, so if I wake up in the middle of the night and can't fall asleep, I'll spray the pillows and sheets, and sometimes I'll even spray myself, and it helps me to fall asleep easier. It's nice if you have your mind racing when you lay down to kind of spray beforehand, or like I said, waking up in the middle of the night and your body's ready to wake up but you're not quite ready to wake up yet. The lavender essential oil is really good for calming, but the magnesium is as well. All of our essential oil sprays contain magnesium. Super good for your all-over well-being. Finally, I want to share with you my purifying charcoal mask that is all used up. As you can see, I have a Try Me sticker on it, so this is one that I will send samples of. So this is actually one of many that I have used up in this particular mask. And I do also like our bentonite clay mask. If you're someone that does a mask maybe once or twice a month, it's really nice to change it up, just the different benefits. Charcoal in general helps to pull out impurities, so it's really good for all skin types. I actually, when I first switched to our all-natural deodorant, I actually used it on my armpits and did a mask on my armpits, which seems weird, right? But it worked, and the only thing that was strange was that I had to keep my arms above my head for 15 minutes while it dried. But I do like the charcoal mask for that, and in addition to the all-natural deodorant that I use from Jordan Essentials, I do use our charcoal bar soap as well. So the other thing about the charcoal mask is, like I said, it pulls out things that are not supposed to be in your body. So it works really well for poison ivy, or even if you have a bug bite, you can just kind of dab it on there, and it helps to pull that itch right from the spot that is itching or irritated. So it is a really good one for that. So the charcoal mask is a really good one to add to your skincare brigade. So that's it for me this month. If you have any questions about these 4 products that I was talking to you about today, or any of the products in our catalog, please let me know. Be sure and check out some of our new products that are in the fall and winter catalog as of the middle of July. And as always, I'm happy to help answer any questions you may have. Thank you so much again for being here today and going through my empty products with me. I love sharing Jordan Essentials, so like I said, if you have any questions at all, please reach out in some way. You can check out my web store link down below and leave me a thumbs up on your way out if you like this video. There's sure to be more. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you are always alerted when I have a new video out. I'll see you next time. Bye.